What's up, everybody? Long time no see. Just wanted to give y'all an update in the garden, man. You know, see what y'all been up to. Well, anyways, get to it. So this is the tomatoes. How they been doing? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, you see those, don't you? Those cherry tomatoes from those flowers I was telling y'all about. But yeah, they started to bloom a little bit. Well, fruit. Let me just be real. So what I did now, is a little experiment I want to do. Obviously, there's going to be more growth coming. So, so I wanted to create a little low stress training method. Just use some bamboo skewers. That's all I did. So what I did, just snapped them in half. Once I snapped it in half, just took it like this. Just put it right down over top of that section of the branch. Over time, this will start uprooting itself like this. Not uprooting, but start redirecting the growth in a way like this. All of this lower growth will stay low like this. I had it laying down before, earlier in the season, but I stopped it. Anyways, just wanted to see what y'all was up to, man. Show y'all a little tour of the garden again. Sunflowers finally starting. Got my cantaloupes over here as well. Got some mullein leaf. So this right here, this mullein leaf was growing right by my mailbox, and I had another one out in my backyard that was just naturally growing. But if you ever see mullein leaf, it looks like really soft and velvety. But if you see this growing, eventually it'll have a long stalk in the middle with yellow flowers that bloom, green, and once it gets to a certain height or age of maturity, you can harvest those leaves and actually dry them and drink them as tea, and it'll help flush all the mucus from your lungs and toxins and things of that nature. So for any of you heavy smokers out there that are trying to, relieve yourself of that coughing, I guess you could say that coughing spell that say that smokers cough, you could basically utilize that mullein leaf, brew some of that after you have harvested, drink that in the morning and right before bed. I'm telling you, man, it's life changing. It'll definitely flush you right on out. Got my peppers, they're thriving. They haven't, well, a little bit, but not much. Let's see. Got a few of them over here. It's about to start to flower. Got my Thai peppers down here. Oh, this is my beans. Put some beans in here too. More pepper plants down there. What's some watermelon in here as well? But, I don't think it kept thriving. Died out, yeah. It's all good, cause over here, before the groundhogs got to it. Sheesh. Yeah. The rain the other day. I had a nice little formation going. Little makeshift trellis stick. Just on some backyard. You know what I mean? I had some little trash laying around. Like, you know what? I'm gonna utilize this broken fishing pole. Help chain it up. But after that one rain we had last week, man, weighed it down. Came out the next morning to check on my plants. Man, them groundhogs ate all my plants up. Ate every last one of them up. But I still got some blooms in here. We're almost there. But it's all good. They'll bounce back. This right here, this is gonna be a new shoot. Right over here, another one. This is just gonna keep going. You get the point. But those are my cantaloupes and watermelons. Hope y'all have a great day, man. And thanks for coming to grow with me. Continue to grow in many ways. Not just gardening, just in general, in life. Continue to grow, man. In many ways possible. If that's what you intend to do. If not, keep doing what you do. It's always love. It's all love around. Oh, look at that little butterfly, y'all. Hold it, look. Let's see if he'll let me get up. Oh, let's see. Oh, he let me get close. Maybe he's coming over. Oh, he left. Little baby monarch butterfly. That was kind of cool. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Peace.